Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 10th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weekend looking good. Pleasant days, chilly nights, some frost likely tomorrow morning. Next week looking fairly calm and looks pretty cold here around Thanksgiving. Let's go in there and check things out today. There's the water vapor satellite view. The trough that brought this cold air is lifted out. We have a zonal flow and a very dry air mass and a very nice day. Temperatures at mid-afternoon, upper 50s, low to mid-60s. Average high today is 67, so most everybody below average. And again, tonight will be cold. We're expecting lows in the 30s in most spots tomorrow morning. And wow, up north, record-breaking cold for so early in the season. Many new records will be established tonight for parts of the upper Midwest, the Great Lakes, and the Northeast. We've got freeze warnings in effect for parts of the Carolinas, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, the District of Columbia. And down here, this is a frost advisory, and it's a little odd looking because Jackson and DeKalb counties are left out of this. They've already had widespread frost, so that's the reason for that. The bottom line is the northern third of the state will probably have some frost early in the morning. Obviously, no thunderstorms around the nation today. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday evening of next week, and not very much. We might see some out there at the end of next week on Friday with a cold front, but it doesn't look like a big event for now. So let's take it in the dailies with the modeling here. This is the GFS. The 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Zonal flow, a dry air mass, a beautiful day. We start the day between, I'd say, 36 and 40 for most spots. The high will be in the mid-60s, much like today. Just beautiful. Sunday, a weak front approaches, and moisture will return to some degree, and we're going to mention a small chance of a shower Sunday during the day. Most locations dry, but a few isolated showers could break out. The high, I'd say 58 to 62, might be a tad cooler. This is Monday. We're dry and pleasant. That's going to be the story for much of next week with lows in the 40s and highs in the 60s. This is Tuesday. And Wednesday, another front approaching from the north, and again, no moisture. Don't think we have any rain with that. Here's Thursday. Again, now looks dry and pleasant. And a week from today, this is Friday the 17th, deep upper low over the Great Lakes. A cold front pushing through, and that will probably bring a band of showers. But again, it just looks like we're not going to have much moisture. The main surface low far to the north. And again, that looks like a wild and windy setup for the Great Lakes. The old Witch of November, in fact, on this date in 1975 was the date of the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. Check the following day. This is Saturday the 18th. For now, looks good, cool and dry. Let's check the end of the forecast period. Monday, November 20th, kicking off Thanksgiving week. Trough on the East Coast. Weather here cool and dry. And let's just keep on going. What do you say? Let's go out to November 23rd. This is Thanksgiving Day. Yeah, let's roll that voodoo animation because this is clearly in the land of voodoo here. There's no skill in a specific forecast. But having said that, there's been very good consistency in the idea of this deep upper trough over the eastern states. And if this verifies, the weather's going to be cold and dry. In fact, really, this is suggesting highs only in the 30s on Thanksgiving Day. And look at the anomalies, way below average for the east and southeast. You really don't see it reflected in the ensemble yet. You look out there toward November 23rd. It's got a high of about 50 and low in the mid-30s. But again, don't be shocked if those numbers come down if model trends continue in coming days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video here will be Monday morning by 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have these updates tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.